Hello, people. So, there's this show called Sweet Magnolia, whatever that, how you pronounce it. It's on Netflix, and it's a series. It's like about. Uh, it opens with this couple who are filing for divorce, and uh, my god, I mean, this whole concept of divorce is becoming so common, right? Single parenting, and so it's a very quite an interesting series that you can watch it on Netflix. And it's set in a it's in a it's set in South Carolina, but in a fictitious town known as Serenity. Because I think they didn't want to really, I don't know why they didn't set it in a specific actual geographical location, but it is said to be life in South Carolina. So try and check it out, people. It's called Sweet Magnolia, and it is a very sweet show to watch. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.